Good morning and happy Monday, Armani, Mohammed, and Farkanda. This is week 5 of distance learning, and at this point, you should have completed up until chapter 8 in your literature circle book holes. Today is May 4th, so if you'll notice over here, it's Star Wars Day. May the 4th be with you. We're using today as a catch-up day. So today I'll explain to you in this video what is going to be due by Wednesday, May 6th. All right, so you have 2 additional days to complete these assignments. I'm going to tell you where you can find your assignments, and just keep in mind you'll start to see grades in School Tools starting on Wednesday. I'm not sure if anybody has explained this to you, but we're using a C in School Tool if you have completed the work, and an M in School Tool if the work is missing. So parents, you guys will start getting notifications of your grades starting Wednesday. I'm going to look to make sure that the assignments up till chapter 8 are completed. On Wednesday, you will have a new assignment. So take today, Monday, and tomorrow, Tuesday, to work really hard getting caught up on anything that you may owe. Make sure that you're asking any questions that you're unsure of. Okay? So I'm going to show you this slide next. These are the assignments that we've done or assigned up until this point. In a second, I'm going to take you over to Google Classroom and walk you through where to find each assignment. Okay, I am going to post this slide in Google Classroom if you want to use it as a reference. Okay, so again, you should have assignments 1 through 7 completed by Wednesday. These are all the assignments that have been given to you in Google Classroom for the first 5 weeks of this distance learning when we began. Okay, so keep that in mind. If you want to take a picture of it, you can take a picture of it. Again, I will post this as a material in Google Classroom under your holes group. Okay, so let me take you over to Google Classroom and explain each assignment really quick to you one more time, and then I will send you off to work if you don't have any questions. If you do have questions, I will be in the Google Meet from 9 to 10 today. Please watch this video first, okay? All right. So when you go into your Google Classwork tab, you're going to click on Holes. Okay. I want you to scroll all the way to the bottom. That is where your first assignment will begin. Okay, so if you look, it says period 9, grade 5 literature circle holes group. Okay, once you click on that, your first assignment is to simply read or listen to chapters 1 through 5. The chapters on YouTube are right here. The PDF, if you would rather read it, is right here. That will bring you to the class text. Okay, your second assignment is your reading roll. Okay, so what you're going to do is look right here. So Armani, you're the summarizer. I believe you already completed this. I just need you to submit it. Mohammed, your name is spelled wrong. Mohammed, you are the connection conductor. Okay, so I believe yours is also completed and you spent a lot of time on it. In order for me to give you guys a grade, you need to click turn in on this assignment so I can grade it. So you're just filling out your slide. Farkanda, you are the connection comparing. If you're not sure what that means, click on connection comparing. It'll bring you to a YouTube group, or I'm sorry, a YouTube video, and explain to you what you have to do in this slide. Okay, make sure you click turn in so I can give you credit for your assignments. If you go back to this weekly slide, your first assignment was chapters 1 through 5. I just showed you how to access that. Your second assignment, is to complete the Google slide of your reading roll, and that's part of that same Google Doc. Make sure you click turn in, okay? Your next assignment, if you scroll up, is to find the April 20th, week 3 holes tab. There you will find a quizzes. Okay? This is based on chapters 1 through 5 only. So you can either go to joinmyquiz.com and enter this code, or you can just simply click on the link. You're going to have to sign in with your Google account. Take the quizzes. All right, that will automatically come to me, but then go into Google Classroom, click Turned In, so I know that you completed it and can add it to my gradebook. Okay? So that was your third assignment. Your fourth assignment was a Flipgrid where you're going to discuss a conflict in the book and respond to one of your classmates. A directional video is in Flipgrid from Mrs. Mosier. So if you go back to your whole classwork tab, all of this is found in the classwork tab. This is going to be under the week 3, April 22nd Flipgrid tab. If you click on the link, it'll ask you to log in with Google, sign in with your Google account, okay? And it will show you a video of me explaining exactly what you have to do.
Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Mosier, if you can't tell. I'm using this app called Snap Camera. If you have either a...
Okay, so that's where that is. You'll record your video answering these questions right here. Then you're to respond to another person. So keep checking back to make for when your peers submit their Flipgrid. You need to respond saying whether you agree or disagree. Okay? So that is your assignment number 4. Your assignment number 5 is listening to me read chapter 6 on Edpuzzle. So you're going to go to your whole classwork tab again and scroll up to where it says week 4. This was last week, last Monday, April 27th. In that tab, you will find an Edpuzzle. You're going to listen to it and answer the questions as you go along. Okay, once you have done these assignments, make sure you go back to your classwork tab and click Turned In. So Armani, I see that you have turned this in. Muhammad and Farkanda, if you have done this, make sure you go and click Turn In. Okay? Okay. So that is your 5th assignment. Your 6th assignment is to listen to chapter 7. So if you go back into your whole classwork tab again, that is going to be under the week 4, April 29th work tab. Okay? I give you the chapters. It's a longer chapter, so you're going to have to listen to part 1 and part 2. Once you have completed that, it's going to bring you to your next assignment, which is your final assignment that is due on Wednesday. Okay, so this assignment, if we go back to our weekly slides, is the whole word search. I gave you an informational YouTube video under week 4, April 29th, if you're confused of how to do this, and I also linked it here. So if you go into this tab, you'll see a YouTube video that looks like this. And it shows you how to do the crossword, the word search.
Literature Circle group. This is week 4 of our distance learning. And this
week, that's just a little sneak peek. All right, then you'll click into the whole word search. Click into the picture, which is all explained in the video. Watch the YouTube video first of how to do this. And you'll just simply find those words. Okay, again, this is all in the video. So I see Stanley Yelnats. I'm going to circle that. I'm going to find his name over here, and I'm going to cross it off because I found it. And then I would click Save and Close. Okay? So those are the 7 assignments that you owe on Wednesday. If you have done them, go back and click Turn In so I can give you a grade. If you have any questions, please sign in to the Google Meets. This is all found under the classwork tab in your Google Classroom, and I gave you what the assignment is called and where it is found. Okay? Do a good job. Take your time with this, and you'll start to see the grades that you've earned in School Tools starting on Wednesday. Have a happy Monday and have a wonderful start to your week. Enjoy some sunshine because it's supposed to get pretty nice this week. All right, guys, I'll talk to you soon.